Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to find what kind of TikTok videos actually go viral, today's video is going to be a game changer. I'm going to show you a powerful tool called Tik Analyzer, also known as the Video Analyzer tool, that helps you instantly uncover top-performing TikTok videos and all the metrics that matter, so you can post with data-backed confidence. Imagine being able to see what's trending right now in any country, within any time period, and across any niche. With Tik Analyzer, you can do exactly that. You just select the region, choose the time frame, and sort by hot, likes, comments, or shares. In seconds, it shows you a complete list of winning TikToks, with every important detail like thumbnail, creator, caption, age, duration, and all the core stats such as plays, likes, comments, shares, and favorites. But what makes this tool really special are the deeper insights. You'll get engagement rate, follower engagement, reach ratio, daily performance metrics, even a VQ score and overall score, giving you a full picture of why a video is performing so well. And here's the best part. It estimates how much each video might be earning. You can switch between creator fund, creativity program, or your own custom RPMs to instantly see potential revenue. You can also run unlimited keyword searches, import bulk TikTok URLs, or browse directly within the built-in browser that automatically extracts and analyzes all video data for you. Plus, you can watch and download videos right inside the app, making it super easy to build your own swipe file of winning content ideas. So if you're serious about growing on TikTok, stop guessing and start analyzing. Tik Analyzer gives you the data, insights, and confidence to post what actually works.
Want to find proven TikTok winners fast? Meet the Video Analyzer tool. Choose from any major country, select the period, and sort by hot, likes, comments, or shares, and instantly see the top trending TikTok videos. Every row shows the essentials: thumbnail, link, user, description, creation date, age, duration, ad copyright flag, and all core counts: plays, likes, comments, shares, favorites. Then the metrics that matter: engagement rate, follower engagement, reach ratio, like, comment, share, favorite ratios, plays per day, engagement per day, VQ score, overall score, and estimated revenues. Or run a keyword search across TikTok, Google, or Bing, and Tik Analyzer pulls each video's full details into the data grid one by one. Double-click any cover to open video details, quick stats, creator info, keywords, and a built-in player. Watch without distractions and download in one click. Estimate earnings instantly with revenue settings. Switch creator fund, creativity program, or ad RPMs. Set min-max RPM, and watch min-max revenue update across the grid. Use the built-in browser with auto-scroll and paginate, or import unlimited links. Even paste raw page source and let Tik Analyzer auto-parse. Validate winners, build your swipe file, and plan what to post next with confidence.